Hi guys, it's me, Rama 300. We're gonna be hearing the tornado sirens go off in my backyard again. Sorry if I said we might be going to see a tornado siren next week, but we might be going to someday. We don't know. I don't know when. Don't ask questions. But yeah, we're gonna hear them go off in the backyard again, as usual. As every single one of my videos from 2018. Well, some of them were from, the exact location, but, yeah, I don't get it. It sucks. It really does. Don't talk to me about it. No questions. No questions. No questions. That precaution plan. It is really bright outside today. Not as warm. It's fine though. We might be hearing them from over there because there's some over there. Some over there. So we just gotta wait till they test. Hear the other one testing from far away. Here we go.